Everything is under control, madam.
The dokla is Brazil, the bale will be crisp, the samosas fresh, and what about the trifle? These people like their puddings.
Only the jelly remains to be said, ma'am.
But come on then, get to it. What are you waiting for?
Just making sure the chutney is ready for the sandwiches, ma'am.
I like to be helpful.
I like to be rich, but the good Lord thought otherwise.
Miss Braganza, Mama is calling you. She needs your advice about something.
Such a tizzy about everything. And now she wants my advice? Okay. Alex, you just make sure the jelly powder has dissolved in the water. Don't add anything more. Just that.
Will do. I'll help.
Me too. What to do?
Get that bowl and those eggs.
Are there eggs in jelly?
There are in mine. Just get it.
Jelly Mrs. Braganza makes.
Alex, get me the mold. Right now, just get me the mold.
I want to pour it in.
No, I've done all the hard work.
Oh gosh. You've ruined me. Your father will never let me live this down. What will all those people say? And do I smell egg? First of all, we don't serve egg. And then why is there egg in jelly? Why can't children learn to be nice sometimes? You know how important this party is. You must have some nasty medicine indeed.
I know just the thing. I don't need any medicine. Shh. Open up. No. Strawberry.
Yuck, I don't like strawberry.
Shh. Open up.
Blueberry.
We'll take care of this, ma'am. Take this.
Alex?
Mrs. Braganza, in every job that must be done, there is an element of fun. You find a fun and snap the dogs again, and every task you undertake becomes a piece of cake. Along a spring, it's very clear to see that a spoonful of sugar and some medicine go down the medicine, go down the medicine, go down. That's a spoonful
these messages all at once? Mrs. Braganza, don't bother with the rest of the food. It turns out none of the ladies are going to be here after all. Perhaps I chose the wrong day.
I think you chose the wrong people.
Mr. Chairman. Good morning. Great men of peace, of power and position, and it's our job to back them to the hill. For sure investment and advice, if they are priced, the better context man's are paid. Mr. Cooper, I see Mr. Seth is coming today. You said you had made a decision. Just make sure it's the right one now.
Mr. Cooper, what objections can you have? My security is more than adequate, and Africa is an expanding market. What is the matter? Have you no courage?
But Mr. Seth, I haven't been able to grasp what exactly are you selling as a final product?
What do you think? Money, of course.
But I wonder, making money out of money, would that be enough?
Are you man enough to be a banker? A man has dreams of building an empire.
Well, Mr. Cooper Sahib, have come to a decision. There's a whole district of genuine weavers whose future depends solely on you.
I know that.
Well, just give us this chance, Mr. Cooper. You won't regret it. The looms could be running in weeks. Workshops expanding by the years end. Please, Mr. Cooper, just give us a chance.
I do believe you, Mr. Rahman, and I've tried to find a way, but there is just not the collateral.
Well, what about a workforce? Talented folks who don't want to let the traditional views to just die? Please, Mr. Cooper, we will give you your money's worth and more, many times more.
I'm sorry, Mr. Rahman, but I am...
No, teacher, it'll go into the... Hello, Daddy.
What on earth are you doing here? Can't you see I'm busy?
No, Mr. Cooper, we are done here. And besides, no man should be too busy for his own children. Well, what are you here for, young man? Have you come here for some money as well?
Hardly. What would they need money for?
Well, it's never too early to learn its value.
I know the value of 50 rupees.
No, that's its worth. Its real value is in how you spend it. Do good and you may have good luck.
What is the meaning of this Pia Pinto? I'm not one without a sense of humor, but aren't you, Daddy? No, I'm not. But when I was a little boy, I wouldn't have dared interrupt my father.
Were you ever a little boy?
Yes, I was. But my nanny, Mrs. J. D'Souza, kept me out of my father's way. And he would have been very angry if she hadn't.
What about your mother?
Well, I shouldn't say I saw either of them more than once in a week.
Didn't they mind?
Mind? They were glad to be rid of me.
So did you go to Mrs. J. D'Souza at the night when you were frightened of the dark?
Frightened of the dark? Nonsense. We were brave. There was no need to be comforted. None of those soppy nonsense for me.
Poor Daddy.
Poor? What do you mean poor? That has made me the man I am. Hey, Pia Pinto?
Yes, I'm afraid it did.
Well, that's enough. You see where I work and I have a lot of work to do.
Daddy, Oh, when you invest the bank's money, what are you looking for? A good man or a good idea?
A good idea, I must say, but a good man is much more rarer and much more valuable.
Well, children, it's time to go.
Mr. Seth, I've considered your arguments, but I'm afraid my answer is no.
So you don't recognize a good idea?
No, but I do recognize a good man when I see one.
You will regret this, Mr. Cooper.
Ah, Mr. Redman, could I please have a moment? How soon could your workshops open?
Thank you, Mr. Cooper. I'm sure you won't regret this.
Get 2 for 50, get 2 for 50. See these pretty toys, these fun toys.
Hey, Noella, let's spend our money on those.
Yes, but...
But what?
But why isn't she in school?
Let's ask.
Auntie, why isn't she in school? Oh, well, she was in school until recently. She loved it too, but her father was suffering from a terminal illness. We couldn't afford it. Auntie, will this help? It might. At least a little. Well, of course, most importantly, the thought that counts. You've made us extremely happy today. Thank you. Auntie, can we please take her with us to our school for a day? Oh, well, of course. Go ahead, sweetie.
Come play with us.
Come play with us.
While Damien and Noella are on their way to school, let me bring you back to witness the magical moments at Notre Dame, where our twinkling stars come into limelight.
May I invite our chief guest, Mrs. Sandra D'Souza Rana, and His Grace Archbishop Felix Machado to come up to the stage. A round of applause, please, as our chief guest and His Grace Archbishop Felix Machado comes up to the stage. We are happy and proud to have you, Ma'am Sandra D'Souza Rana, in our midst this evening. May I invite you to please address our gathering and share your expertise on the importance of a family. Good evening, everyone. His Excellency Bishop Felix Machado, the Principal, Sister Mary, all the teachers, parents, and my dear students. At the outset, I must say congratulations for the amazing show that you all have put up. I must say that it reminded me of my days when I sat there as a parent and watched my daughter perform. The anxiety that this child has, whether my parents are looking at me or my grandparents are there, and at the same time we as parents looking as to, is our child seen and where can I see him? It's a great excitement. And I must say each one has really contributed to making this day very special. I wouldn't take a long time to talk. I would love to watch the rest of the show. So I would make the message that I want to convey short and sweet. I'm privileged to be here today and to share a bit of my life. I think all of us as individuals have a story. And I have one too. I am a miraculous child. You can say I'm God's miracle. The time I was born, the doctor told my parents that she would not survive. My granny had dug my grave. But God had his own plans, and here I am today. I complete 52 and I'm still going strong. So God has his own plans for each one of us. And I'm a small town girl hailing from Belgaum. Had a passion and a dream that I need to do something for my family. I come from a very poor family where my dad was a mechanic and my mom was a housewife. I was born bronchial asthmatic, so everything that they had used to go in taking care of me. I have a sister and 2 older brothers. But yes, there was something that they instilled in us, and that is the values. The values that they taught us is why we stand tall today. Not that life didn't have ups and downs, and not that we didn't crave for things. We did. But yes, we waited for that right moment, and it was with their help that we grew up. And there was a time where I felt I need to move out from Belgaum in case I want to do something differently. And that was the challenge I accepted. My parents, especially my dad, was not in favor of me going. I remember he still tells me that I used to sit at the bus stop where you last left for Mumbai and cry for you to come back. But yes, if that day I wouldn't have taken that decision to move towards achieving something, I don't think I would be where I am today. It's not easy in life. You don't get everything very easily. You need to struggle. There are struggles that come your way. But my friends, never give up. There is a very fine line that is there, which we need to see, is between our needs and our wants. Our needs are very little if you look at it. But then the wants just go on increasing, and you do not know the day when your needs have turned into your wants, and we are struggling to make these wants, to meet these wants, which is, I think, we waste a lot of time. And to add to it, it has been COVID, which has literally made us all digital slaves. I see most of the families, we are all sitting together, but all of us are on our gadgets. It's very sad that we have started spending time like that. And that was a change that I looked for. I mean to say, it is something that has to be different. And when we are, I will come back to the story I'm telling you, but I just want to tell you that we need to come out of this digital slavery we are into. We need to know the limits as to where we can draw a line and where we need to stop. I'm telling you this because my needs when I came to Mumbai were very small, and I knew my limitations. I didn't want to fall back on my parents for me to survive here in Mumbai. When I came to Mumbai, I stayed in the slums at Wadala. I've stayed in Kurla. Yes, but I never wanted to go back home. And there was a day, my spiritual life is very strong, and I have a very strong faith in God. The very fact that I'm alive is because of Him. And I believe if He has given you troubles, He is the one who is going to show you the way too. And so yes, life went on, and there was a day where I joined Xavier's as a clerical post. Of course, my journey in Mumbai has a lot of roller coaster rides. Maybe we could do that some other time, because I do not want to make you wait for long to see the next act. So then I end up in Xavier's, and I'm in Xavier's. I started working at Xavier's right from the clerical position, and today I head the institution. It's not just like that. It is because of I loved what I did. I always wanted to do something better. So there was passion and dedication. What brings me here today and what makes XIC #1 in the world today. So all that I want to tell you is you need to have passion. You need to work for yourselves. You need to see what you are doing. And I'm sure then you would realize that there is a lot more that you can do and achieve rather than being glued to your gadgets. I think you need to be passionate and you can achieve what you want to in life. Today I stand here after having produced a film on Blessed Sister Rani Maria. Most of you would be knowing a story. It's a story, a saga of sacrifice. And we didn't know how we would get the funds for this movie. We have put in our everything to complete the making of this movie. And as I talk to you, our movie is eligible at the Oscars. That's the message I just got. So, you just need to have a dream and a passion to reach there. And I think we as parents need to be the guiding force with our children. If we have the values that our parents have taught us today, it's because of the time that they spent with us. I don't remember when we never had our night meal together. It was always together, whatever we had, but it was family. And we need to realize that importance that you need to give time to your child. You need to know what your child is going through. Today, I am at Xavier's. I handle postgraduate students where we are battling with something called mental health, depression. And it's a very sad state where we are heading to. I think we should, as parents and family, find a time for ourselves in the day where you, maybe dinner time, that you sit together and you talk what you have done throughout the day. Try to connect. And I think that is very important. We lack communication. We lack talking to our kids and trying to understand what they are going through. Today's world is a rat race they are in. And they need us the most. But we as parents are very busy trying to meet these wants. We need to know where we can limit ourselves. And let me tell you, there is nothing as precious as family time. Nothing as precious as being with your dear ones. I think that gives a lot of happiness and the way forward. You are making happy human beings which will make, in turn, have happy families. And there is where we need to be a little more human today, and that is possible only when we are together. There is love, there is care, there is understanding, and there would be happy families. And I think what we need to focus on is to achieve what we want to do. Our children should be a part of the major decisions we are taking, learn to involve them. Teach them the value of what they have and the people in their lives whom they have. They need to learn to value what they I think it is very, very important for us to know the value of people in our lives, all that we possess. I would request each of you parents to make it a point to take your child to a place where there are people who do not have any of the luxuries that they have. We make it a point every birthday to be celebrated at either the home for the aged or the children home, the old age home, where there are children who are suffering from cancer, there are children who are suffering from diseases which cannot be cured. I think we are blessed, and we are so careful with what our children are doing, and we pamper them where they don't see what they have, and there are people who are craving for this. I think that realization needs to be coming into our children, where it would be nice a weekend if you spend at the old age home, where they would learn to value the parents, the grandparents, the elders they have in the family. I think this value system of making them realize what they have in their lives is very, very important. Lastly, I would like to tell you to make them individuals who are human. I love the aim of the school is to have young people, train young people to unselfish leadership. And I think that is needed. We have a huge responsibility that we have is to educate our children, teach them to realize, to differentiate between what is right and what is wrong. And I think that's the need of the hour. We need to be a little more human, a little more caring, and a little more considerate to the people around us. And I'm sure together we will make a difference, and we can make this world a better place for us all to live in. Thank you so much, and thank you, sister, for having me here.
Once again, a huge round of applause for ma'am. Thank you, dear ma'am, for those words of wisdom which sent out positive vibes. It is true that love for one's family is spelled out as T-I-M-E, time. And at this point, it is a big thank you for all the parents out here for making time to witness your child's talent on stage. Your appreciation and motivation, dear ma'am, will definitely help us to step onto the next rung of our ladder here at Notre Dame. We are proud to acknowledge the incredible dedication, hard work, and commitment our graduates of batch 2022-23 have demonstrated in their academic pursuits. They have not only excelled in their studies, but have also set an example for their peers through their passion for learning. May I call upon our esteemed chief guest, Mrs. Sandra D'Souza Rana, and His Grace Archbishop Felix Machado, to felicitate and honor the exceptional students who have achieved remarkable success. As I call on the names of the awardees, I would want you all to come forward. The awardees are Kate Rajesh Almeida, scoring 96.8%. Congratulations to Kate Rajesh Almeida. You have been awarded a scholarship in the name of late Mr. Ignatius Machado for securing first rank. Gautam Amit Narkar, 96.4%. Congratulations, Gautam Amit Narkar. You have been awarded a scholarship in the name of late Mr. Ignatius Machado for securing second rank. Ozen Garrett Fernandez. Congratulations, Ozen. You have been awarded a scholarship in the name of late Mr. Ignatius Machado for securing third rank. Ethan Edward Bake, 95.4%. Congratulations, Ethan. You have been awarded a scholarship in the name of Mrs. Sonika Bhamri for having passed class 10 with 90% and above. A round of applause, please. Anshdhar Anurodh Dubey. Congratulations, Anshdhar. You have been awarded a scholarship in the name of late Mrs. Sancha Martin for having passed class 10 with 90% and above. Latham Sandeep Fernandez. Congratulations, Latham. You have been awarded a scholarship in the name of late Mr. Sancha Martin for having passed class 10 with 90% and above. Siddhe Rahul Raut, 94.4%. Congratulations, Siddhe. You have been awarded a scholarship in the name of late Mr. Sanjay Martin for having passed class 10 with 90% and above. Nilay Nandkishore Gupta, 93.8%. Congratulations, Nilay. You have been awarded a scholarship in the name of Mrs. Sonika Bhamri for having passed class 10 with 90% and above. Bruce Nilesh Andrades, 93.6%. Congratulations, Bruce. You have been awarded a scholarship in the name of Mrs. Sonika Bhamri for having passed class 10 with 90% and above. Eileen Milton Mascarenhas, 93.6%. Congratulations, Eileen. You have been awarded a scholarship in the name of Mrs. Sonika Bhamri for having passed class 10 with 90% and above. Rian Ronnie Sirville, 93.6%. Congratulations, Rian. You have been awarded a scholarship in the name of Mrs. Sonika Bhamri for having passed class 10 with 90% and above. Sansia Charles Fernandez, 93.6%. Congratulations, Sansia. You have been awarded a scholarship in the name of Notre Dame School for having passed class 10 with 90% and above. Karan Singh Bhamri, centum in English, 100%. Congratulations, Karan. You have been awarded a scholarship in the name of Notre Dame School for securing centum in English, that is 100 marks. Thank you, dear students, for making Notre Dame proud. Thank you, ma'am, and His Grace Archbishop Felix Machado for doing the honors. I now invite His Grace Archbishop Felix Machado to inspire us with his words of wisdom.
Namaskar. The chief guest of today, Miss Sandra, my dear Sister Superior, my dear Sister Principal, other guests present here, would like to mention very specially Sister Anita, आणि माझ्या प्रिय मित्रांनो, मी मुद्दामून मराठीत बोलणार आहे. आपण महाराष्ट्रामध्ये आहोत आणि ही इंग्लिश मीडियम शाळा आहे. चांगलं इंग्लिश शिकायचं आहे आम्हाला, आमच्या मुलांना. पण मातृभाषा विसरायची नाही, ती आई आहे. मी अनुभव घेतलेला आहे. साता समुद्रा पलीकडे जाऊन मी अनेक भाषा शिकलो आणि त्या भाषेमधून मी शिकवतो आहे. पण माझी मराठी कधी कमी झाली नाही आणि मी मराठीला कधीच विसरणार पण नाही. माझी मातृभाषा आहे ती. आणि म्हणून प्रिय मित्रांनो, this brings back memories for me. Sitting here, I was learning English when I joined the seminary. And the famous musical, there were two in fact, that were very helpful for me to learn English. One was Julie Andrews' main actress, Sound of Music. And the second, very dear to me, was Mary Poppins, My Fair Lady. And all the memories come back to me as I sit here in the crowd. मी लोकांमध्ये जाऊन बसण्याचं पसंत करतो अशासाठी की केंद्रस्थानी असलेल्या माणसांनी कधी कधी आणि अधूनमधून नाही, नेहमी परिघा बाहेर जाऊन जग कसं दिसते ते बघायला पाहिजे. लोक तिथं राहतात ज्यांच्या खऱ्या अडीअडचणी आहेत, ज्यांना दिव्यातून जायला लागते. मिस सॅन्ड्राने उल्लेख केला, ती झोपडपट्टीत राहत होती. सेमिनरीत असताना, मी शिकवत असताना एकदा शिकायला होतो सेमिनरीमध्ये आणि नंतर मग शिकवायला होतो. तेव्हा मी स्लम प्रोजेक्ट म्हणून सुरू केला की आलेला धर्मगुरू होण्यासाठी आलेला प्रत्येक विद्यार्थी त्याने थोडा तरी अनुभव झोपडपट्टीचा घेतला पाहिजे. कारण झोपडपट्टी हे आमच्या मुंबईचं वैशिष्ट्य आहे असं म्हणा ना, प्रांजळपणे आणि प्रामाणिकपणे. आणि म्हणून स्लममध्ये कोणावर सक्ती केली नाही, परंतु व्हॉलंटरी स्लममध्ये जाऊन मी त्यांना भेटी द्यायला जायचो. कारण मी तो कार्यक्रम बघत होतो, प्रोजेक्ट मी बघत होतो. आणि मी पण स्लममध्ये खूप राहिलेलो आहे. मित्रांनो, मी म्हटलं की परिघाबाहेर जायला पाहिजे आणि अनुभव घेतला पाहिजे. मला खूप अनुभव येतो. मी जेव्हा जातो अशा कार्यक्रमांना तेव्हा जाऊन लोकांमध्ये बसतो. काय अडचणी आहेत तिकडून दिसतात. आणि म्हणून आपण, मी सँड्राने सांगितलं की आपल्या मुलांबरोबर असलं पाहिजे. I just want to tell you that there are two words, education and educational acts. Education हा सर्वसमावेशक असा मोठा शब्द आहे. एज्युकेशन आणि एज्युकेशन देण्यासाठी खूप लोकांची मदत हवी असते. जेव्हा आपण एज्युकेशन सांगतो तेव्हा there are wide variety of relationships such are found in sports, recreation, religious practice, political, economic and cultural activity, family life, business activity and so on. And in this sense, all those who perform in some way a service that accompanies and encourages the humanization of individuals and communities are all educators. आणि म्हणून मी एक विनंती करतो, आपल्या कॅथलिक चर्चच्या संस्था such as Notre Dame, आपण मॅम वगैरे बोलतो आता, पण मॅम हा शब्द मॅडम म्हणून आलेला आहे. आणि मॅडम हा शब्द फ्रेंच भाषेतून मादाम, नॉट्रडाम, मादाम, मादाम म्हणजे माझी आणि नॉट्र म्हणजे आमची, आमची लेडी, आई मरिया, हा तेथून शब्द आलेला आहे. आणि म्हणून सिस्टर ही जी शाळा चालवतात, मी तुम्हाला अगदी स्पष्ट सांगू शकतो, ह्या संपूर्ण कॅथलिक प्रांताचा मुख्य म्हणून, की आम्ही ज्या शाळा चालवतो यामध्ये आमचा कुठलाही स्वार्थ नाही. मुलांना चांगलं शिक्षण मिळालं पाहिजे, मुलं मोठी झाली पाहिजेत. पण मोठी होणं म्हणजे स्वार्थी बनणं नव्हे, तर आपल्या मुलांनी सुद्धा आपलं शिक्षण घेत असताना आणि झाल्यानंतर सुद्धा दुसऱ्यांना मदत करण्याची ईर्ष्या बाळगली पाहिजे. सिस्टर ज्या शाळा चालवतात त्यांना पण दिव्यातून जायला लागते. आणि मी तुम्हाला सांगतो, खरं सांगतो, की विशेष करून आमच्या सिस्टर्स, त्यांच्या खिशामध्ये एक, आपल्या भाषेत बोलायचं म्हणजे नमडी सुद्धा जाणार नाही. पण ते काय करतात की इथं येतात, संस्था सुरू करतात आणि इथं जे काही त्यांना मिळते त्याच्यातून ते दुसऱ्या दुर्गम भागामध्ये जातात आणि वंचित असलेल्यांसाठी तिथं संस्था सुरू करतात. याच्यामध्ये धर्मांतर वगैरे काही नाही. मी तुम्हाला ठासून सांगतो, मी सर्व धर्म मैत्रीचा जगामध्ये प्रचार करणारा माणूस आहे आणि मला ओळखलं जातं त्या नावाने. तुम्ही वाचता माझे दौरे, मी एक दिवस सुद्धा माझ्यासाठी नाही जात, मला बोलावलं जातं. 1.5 आठवडा झाला मी जकार्ताला होतो ॲट द इन्व्हिटेशन ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडोनेशिया, आस्किंग मी काय शांतीचे मार्ग आहेत, कसं पुढे गेलं पाहिजे जगाला. मी काय मोठा माणूस नाही, माझ्याकडे थोडंफार जे आहे ते मी दुसऱ्यांना देण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो. आणि ही अपेक्षा कॅथलिक संस्थेमध्ये शिकणाऱ्या सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांकडून अपेक्षित आहेत. त्या सिस्टरांनी स्वतःचं जीवन अर्पण केलेलं आहे. तुम्ही सगळ्यांनीच केलेलं आहे, तसं त्याविषयी वाद नाही. परंतु संपूर्ण सर्वस्वी जीवन बलिदान करून मुलांना शिक्षण देणं. कुठून कुठून आलेले आहेत सिस्टर, लांब लांबहून. माझी एकच विनंती आहे आपल्या सर्वांना, आमचं काही चुकत असेल तर आम्हाला दाखवा, कारण आम्ही नेहमीच बरोबर असतो असं नाही. माझं चुकत असेल, सिस्टरांचं चुकत असेल, दाखवून द्या. दॅट इज द वे टू अचीव एक्सलन्स, टू बी हंबल, टू ॲडमिट दॅट वी आर नॉट परफेक्ट. आणि म्हणून विनंती माझी अशी आहे की सहकार्य करा सिस्टरांना. आणि मी सांगितल्याप्रमाणे एज्युकेशन, स्कूल इज वन ॲक्ट ऑफ एज्युकेशनल कमिटमेंट, वन ॲक्ट ऑफ एज्युकेशनल कमिटमेंट. पण शिक्षण आणि शिक्षक घरात असतात, गावात असतात, शहरात असतात. आणि म्हणून सगळ्यांनी सगळ्यांची जबाबदारी उचलायची आहे. I am delighted to be here this evening because, as I said in the beginning, I am reminded of my memories of My Fair Lady, that famous musical film. We have today Pia Pinto pops in. थोडंसं त्याच्यामध्ये सुद्धा शब्द मुद्दामून निवडलेले आहेत. मेरी पॉपिन्स वॉज द ॲक्ट्रेस ऑफ माय फेअर लेडी. आज 60 वर्ष झाली त्या चित्रपटाला, 60 वर्ष. आणि त्यावेळेला मेरी पॉपिन्स म्हणून पिया पिंटो पॉप्स इन, पॉपिन्स. यू सी, सो दिस इज अ कनेक्शन. बट what I am delighted about is to see in Vasai our talents of our children. I want to congratulate each and every student and the singers here. I would never imagine when I was going through these roads. I'm a student of Devtalav School and my house is there. I used to walk all this way 4 times a day, going and coming to Devtalav. Sometimes I have gone for shortcut through these fields where we stand, where we sit today. And to see our new generation and the new version of that famous film, My Fair Lady, with new talents, this is very promising for us. That's why I am never a pessimist in my life. I have hope. आपण ॲडव्हेंट सीझनमध्ये आहोत. मी ख्रिस्ती लोकांना उद्देशून बोलतो. आगमन काळामध्ये इट इज द टाइम ऑफ होप. डोंट लूज होप. नो स्टुडंट इज बॅड स्टुडंट. दे आर ओनली अनलव्ड स्टुडंट्स. देर इज नो स्टुडंट हु इज अ बॅड स्टुडंट. They are unloved. And this evening's program, this beautiful musical shows us where are we spending our time, where are we spending our money, where are we spending our energies. I have seen the world and I still go to, I'm invited to speak to different audiences, to speak to different heads of state. I've worked with 2 popes very closely. I'm a simple student of Marathi medium. But my encouragement came from my people, my parents to begin with, and grandparents. म्हणून मी तुम्हा पालकांना सुद्धा तुमची पाठ थोपटतो. प्रिय पालकांनो, सांगितलं गेलं इथं तुम्ही तुमचं सगळं काम बाजूला ठेवून इथं आलात. त्यावेळेला आम्ही पण असे काहीतरी कार्यक्रम करायचो मराठीमध्ये, पण आमच्या आई वडिलांना बिचारे ते शेतीमध्ये मजुरीचं काम करत होते. त्यांना यायला मिळालं नाही, यायची इच्छा असून देखील मिळालं नाही. पण आज तुम्ही हा वेळ देतात, हे फार महत्त्वाचं आहे. वेअर आर आवर चिल्ड्रन? येस, दॅट क्वेश्चन शुड बी आस्क्ड. God asks Adam, where are you? Where are you in the state of your life? So in the same way, where are our children? We should be accompanying them because they have got talents, they have got energy, but they don't find the elders having time for them. Unfortunately, the elders are separated from children. Where are the roots of our children today? एखादं झाड जर का मूळ नसेल तर ते कोलमडून पडणार, वाढणार नाही. मग आमच्या मुलांना सुद्धा मूळ असलं पाहिजे. त्यांची आजी आजोबा, आई वडील तर पाहिजेत. फक्त पैसा कमावून चालणार नाही. पैसा पाहिजे, इट इज वर्थ, इट इज सेड, बट द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ मनी. हे एक वाक्य होतं या नाटकामध्ये. ती ज्ञानी आली नवीन आणि सांगायला लागली, आई वडिलांना शिकवायला लागली. त्या नक्की कशाची गरज आहे, गरज कशाची होती आपण बघत आहोत सुंदर अशा त्या आजच्या ह्या म्युझिकलमध्ये. मित्रांनो, मी पण तुमची जास्त वेळ घेत नाही, मला सांगण्यासारखं खूप आहे. पण आज एक विनंती करतो, आम्हाला सहकार्य करीत जा. आमच्या चुका असतील आम्हाला दाखवत जा, परंतु आपल्या मुलांना जे काही चांगलं आहे ते द्यायचं आहे. आणि विशेष करून परिघा बाहेर असलेली मंडळी, मी सिस्टरांना सांगत असतो, वाचले तर आपण सगळे वाचू, बुडले तर आपण सगळे बुडू. ही जगाची परिस्थिती असते. थोडे जण पुढे जाणार, थोडे जण मागे राहणार, अशाने जग पुढे कधीच जात नसते. सर्वांना बरोबर घ्यायचं असते. आज मी मुद्दामून सांगतो की सर्व धर्म सहिष्णुता, आपण सगळे भारत देशाला मोठे करणारे आहोत. मी बसलो होतो तिथे, काही जण माझे हिंदू बांधव आहेत, काही मुसलमान असतील, इकडे ख्रिस्ती आहेत, बौद्ध पण असतील. ही देशाची समृद्धी आहे. आपल्या प्राचीन काळापासून आपल्या देशाने सर्वांना बरोबर घेतलेलं आहे. सर्व पुढे गेले पाहिजेत. कोणीही मागे राहिला तरी देश पुढे जाणार नाही. आणि म्हणून विविधता, मग संस्कृतीची विविधता, भाषेची विविधता, धर्मांची विविधता, ही विविधता आहे. धर्म हा मुद्दाच नसतो, मुद्दा केला जातो, काही गरज नसते. आपण आपल्या मुलांना अशा ॲटमॉस्फिअरमध्ये वाढवलं पाहिजे जिथं भिंती नाहीत तर जिथं पूल आहेत. What we need today are not walls around us. We need bridges so that we are together. तरच आमचं राज्य, आमची वसई, आमचं राज्य, आमचा देश जसं प्राचीन काळापासून भारताने सगळ्यांना मोठं केलेलं आहे, सुंदर संदेश जगाला दिलेला आहे, हे जर चालू राहायचं असेल तर आपल्या सगळ्यांचं सहकार्य पाहिजे. आपण सगळ्यांनी एकत्र मैत्रीने आलो पाहिजे. हा एक संदेश देण्यासाठी मी येत असतो. आणि मी जरी लोकात जाऊन बसतो तरी माझी उपस्थिती तुम्हाला भेटण्याची आहे. तुम्ही मला बघायला पाहिजे. सिस्टर आणि वगैरे सगळे भेटतो आम्ही सभा असतात तेव्हा, पण आज मी तुमच्यातला आहे, तुमच्यामध्ये मी बसलेलो आहे. आणि तसंच करणार मी, तसंच करतो मी. मी खूप वेळेला रिक्षाने जातो, शेअर्ड रिक्षा. मी तुम्हाला सांगणार नाही, लोकांना दिसते तेवढंच. मी ड्रेस केल्यानंतर सगळ्यांना दिसतो. मी रांगेत उभा राहतो बऱ्याचशा ठिकाणी. मी चालत पण जातो कधी कधी स्टेशनला. रात्रीचा मी खूप वेळाला चालत आलेलो आहे स्टेशनहून बिशप्स हाऊसला. हे मी सगळं करतो कारण मला समरस व्हायचं आहे तुमच्या जीवनाशी. तुमची मुलं माझी मुलं पण आहेत. प्रत्येक मूल पुढे गेलं पाहिजे, प्रत्येक मूल वाढलं पाहिजे. आणि मी सांगतो तसं, देर इज नो बॅड चाइल्ड, देर आर ओनली अनलव्ड चिल्ड्रन. आणि म्हणून जी वंचित आहेत, उपेक्षित आहेत, ज्यांचं कोणी नाही जणू काही, या सगळ्यांना आपण घेतलं पाहिजे आपल्या मुलांबरोबर. तो जसं नाटकातला माणूस, त्याला वाटत होतं की माझी मुलं जर का त्या रस्त्यावरच्या माणसाबरोबर गेली तर बिघडतील. काही होत नाही, काही होत नाही. पण सगळ्यांना घेतल्याशिवाय आपण पुढेच जाऊ शकत नाही. हा माझा आजच्या दिवशी एक छोटासा संदेश आहे. क्षमा करा मी वेळेच्या पलीकडे बोललो असेल तर. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
हिज ग्रेस आर्चबिशप फेलिक्स मचाडो, तुमच्या मौल्यवान मार्गदर्शनाबद्दल मनापासून धन्यवाद. थँक यू हिज ग्रेस फॉर दोज एनलाइटनिंग वर्ड्स.
Well, while our achievers go out to fly their kites high, step into our supercalifragilisticexpialidocious musical and get right back into the children's classroom. Ananya, he said he has to be over here. He has to sit over here. All the best. Yes.
You know what? Our nanny, she took us to a magical park and taught us a very cool word.
And she even taught us a very cool song. What was the name of that song?
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
It is not a word.
It is supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Wait, how does it even go like? Super Maggie.
No.
Super
Calif. What?
Super cabbage. Doshe? What rubbish? That's not a word. Anyways, let's begin class.
Good morning, Miss Laura.
The chemistry and biology of the physics. Understand?
The physical laws that govern chemistry and biology?
Nonsense! The physics and chemistry of the biology. Understood?
Biology is made up of physics and chemistry?
Rubbish! The physicality of the chemistry, the biological chemicality of the physics is
a holistic science of all living things.
Nonsense! It is the alchemy of biology and physics.
Things transform in biology and in physics?
Rubbish! The transformity of the physicality, the biological, physical, alchemical is... Can anyone guess?
Is democracy?
Nonsense! It is Atma
democracy. How about the biological, physical, chemicality of the alchemy is... Can anyone guess? Democracy! No, it's hypocrisy. Silence. Now we will move on to the actual mathemacality of the biological, physicality of the chemistry. So write this down. Vg plus 18x minus 35 upon C upon SF 345. Any questions? Miss, is book an adjective, miss? You are asking me a question that you yourself don't know the answer of. And besides, this class is in English, not on English grammar. Miss, will I be heavier or lighter on Jupiter, miss? Again, you are asking me a question that you yourself don't know the answer of. And besides, I am your science teacher and not your gym teacher. I said I am your science teacher and not your gym teacher. What made the Himalayas so tall all those years ago, miss? You are asking me a question that you yourself don't know the answer of. And besides, you are asking me a question of history, you silly child. And this class is taking place in present time. Okay, I'm tired now. Goodbye, children, and make sure to revise all that you have learned for one morning. Bye. Bye. Good morning and thank you, Miss Laura. Hey, what was that word you were telling us about?
It is super,
califragilisticexpialidocious. So it goes like supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Yes.
Now that's a lovely word. Good morning, children.
Good morning, Miss.
My name is Jennifer, but you may call me Miss Jen. Now, put your books away. Today, I will be telling you all a story about precipitation.
Miss Perspiration?
Perspiration? Close, but no, it's Precipitation is when the sun sends his rays down on the sea, and then the sea sends particles of its being up to the sky.
Teacher, all these particles get together in one giant cloud and...
Very good. And while they are there, they start fighting with each other.
Particles fight?
Yes, my dear. Fighting for space, and some of these particles fall to the ground. So, when these particles fall to the ground, a light wind picks up. Bits of paper whirl about.
Oh, so it's gonna be bits of paper flying all about.
Oh dear me, please do not disturb the class. Now, where was I? Yes, the air is suddenly cooler. A wonderful husky nutty scent fills the air. Are you taking notes, children? Don't take notes. Imagine it all instead. And a strange hush falls over everything. And a fresh, moist feeling drops down from the sky.
And then what takes place, miss?
Can anybody guess what's going to happen next?
Miss Jen, rain! It rains!
Yes, that is right. It rains. The monsoon that we so long for.
Miss Jane, it's raining! It's raining!
I heard you.
Can we go outside for a bit? To get a little wet? Just a little teeny tiny time.
Okay, but just for a minute, mind you. Just enough to get a few drops on you.
Yay! It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He bumps in bed and bumps his head and couldn't get up in the morning.
We're trying to express ourselves, it's frankly quite absurd. Too little and Mexicans to find the perfect good. The latest spontaneity keeps conversations deep. You need to find a way to say precisely what you mean. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Even though the sound of it is something quite atrocious. If you say it loud enough, you'll always sound precocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. I'm good, I'm the lie, I'm good, I'm the lie, I'm good, I'm the lie, I'm good, I'm the lie. The Stone Age men were chanting simply grinding words apart. Now if they heard this word, they would have used it once or twice. I'm sure Egyptian pharaohs would have cast it in a gym. And every single pyramid would then stand up. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Singing and malakas would not seem so ferocious. And some part of flourishes is sorrow of approaches. Because those Latin scholars never had a word like this. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. This is softly, the effect can be hypnosis. Take your breath before you speak, it gives you paradocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. I'm the lie, I'm the
Dr. Creekers.
She may be tricky, but she's very good.